Hello everyone, this is Gargi Shekhar in the Youth Education System. Today's topic is differences between 4-stroke engine and 2-stroke engine. A 4-stroke engine has one power stroke for every 2 revolutions of the crankshaft, whereas a 2-stroke engine has one power stroke for each revolution of the crankshaft. You can see in this figure there is 2 revolution for the crankshaft in case of 4-stroke engine. We can observe there is a heavy flywheel present in a 4-stroke engine which is required to run the unbalanced engine, and the turning moment of the crankshaft is not even, hence a heavier flywheel is required even due to one power stroke for every 2 revolutions of the crankshaft. As in case of 2-stroke engine, lighter flywheel is required and engine runs balanced because of the turning movement is even due to one power stroke for each revolution of the crankshaft. You can observe in the figure that the running movement of the crankshaft is having it. Then comes the next difference, that is the engine is quite heavy in case of 4-stroke engine and it is much more complicated, whereas in case of 2-stroke engine it is light and is less complicated. The design of the engine is complicated due to the valve mechanism in case of 4-stroke engine, whereas in case of 2-stroke engine the design is simple due to absence of the valve mechanism. In case of 2-stroke engine there are ports present, valves are absent. You can observe in this figure also there are ports present in the 2-stroke engine, whereas there are valves present in the 4-stroke engine. Then comes the next difference, that is there is much more cost of the 4-stroke engine as compared to the 2-stroke engine. The 4-stroke engine has less mechanical efficiency due to more friction on many parts, whereas a 2-stroke engine has more mechanical efficiency due to less friction on the few parts. You can observe here there is a requirement of much more parts to reduce the friction in case of 4-stroke engine. More output due to full fresh charge intake and full burnt gases is present in 4-stroke engine, whereas in case of 2-stroke engine less output due to mixing of fresh charge with the hot burnt gases is present. So you can observe there is a less output given in case of 2-stroke engine, whereas there is a much more output given in case of exhaust gases in the case of 4-stroke engines. The 4-stroke engine runs cooler due to the good cooling system we provide, as it is having a much more efficient lubricating system, whereas a 2-stroke system is having none. The 4-stroke engine has a water cooling system, whereas a 2-stroke engine has air cooling system in it. In 2-stroke engine fins are present, whereas in 4-stroke engine there is water jacket present. A 4-stroke engine has less fuel consumption and complete burning of fuel takes place, whereas in case of 2-stroke engine more fuel consumption and fresh charge is mixed with the exhaust gases. You can observe that the fuel consumption is much more higher in the 2-stroke engine, whereas it is less in the 4-stroke engine. Also there is complete burning of fuel in case of 4-stroke engine, whereas fresh charge is always mixed with the exhaust gases in case of 2-stroke engines. 4-stroke engine requires more space as it has a complicated design, whereas in case of 2-stroke engine it requires less place. A 4-stroke engine has a complicated lubricating system, whereas a 2-stroke engine has a simple lubricating system, as shown in the figure you can observe over here. A 4-stroke engine is less noisy, whereas a 2-stroke engine is much noise creator as compared to a 4-stroke engine. The noise is less because it is the 4-stroke engine is having jackets and is airtight. Our 4-stroke engine consists of inlet and exhaust valves, whereas a 2-stroke engine consists of inlet and exhaust ports. A four-stroke engine has more thermal efficiencies as all the gases are burned over here and there is much good fuel efficient techniques, whereas it is not present in the two-stroke engine. A four-stroke engine consumes less lubricating oil as compared to the two-stroke engine. The lubricating oil consumption in two-stroke engine is much less as compared to four-stroke. The four-stroke engine has less wear and tear of the moving parts since it has a good lubricating system. Now on the basis of this, we can divide the differences in three parts. The first is constructional part, the second is working, and the third is handling. So on the basis of this, we'll discuss the differences in a summarized manner. The first is oil ring. In two-stroke engine, there are no oil ring present, whereas in four-stroke engines, there are oil rings present. You can observe in this figure. The piston is containing oil rings in case of four-stroke engine. The valve mechanism is present in case of four-stroke engine, whereas in two-stroke engine, there is absence of it. It is a very simple construction in case of two-stroke engine, whereas a four-stroke engine is much more complicated. There are small flywheels in the two-stroke engine, whereas there is a much more bigger flywheel with heavy weight in four-stroke engine. The transfer ports are present in the two-stroke engine. You can observe over here, which is absent in the two-stroke engine. A four-stroke engine is much more heavier than the two-stroke engine. Then in case of crankcase, the crankcase is quite complicated in case of the four-stroke engine, whereas it is much simpler in case of two-stroke engines. Now we talk about the next part, that is the second one. The power stroke per single revolution of the crankshaft is present in two-stroke, whereas the power stroke per revolution of the crankshaft is present in the four-stroke. More power to weight ratio is present in case of two-stroke, whereas less power to weight ratio is present in the four-stroke. Less fuel efficiency, that is mileage, is less in two-stroke, whereas much fuel efficiency, that is mileage, is much more in four-stroke. The distance is covered much more. There is less efficient process of the engine, that is one process is equal to one stroke, whereas in case of four-stroke, more efficient process is present in the engine. Two-stroke, as discussed, is much more noisy than compared to four-stroke. Exhaust system quality is good in four-stroke. The two-stroke has less thermal efficiency, whereas the four-stroke has more thermal efficiency. Hence, heat to work conversion is much more in case of four-stroke engine. The low working temperature is present in two-stroke engine, whereas high working temperature is present in case of four-stroke system. There are low frictional losses due to less complicated system in two-stroke engine, whereas there is much more frictional losses in four-stroke engines. The fuel tank is having oil that is termed to be mobile and petrol in case of two-stroke, whereas four-stroke only requires the fuel. The capital cost is very less in case of two-stroke engine, whereas in case of four-stroke engine the capital cost is much more. The maintenance cost is quite less in two-stroke engine due to less complicated design, whereas it is much more in the four-stroke engine. The operating cost depends upon the complication of the machine. Since four-stroke is much more complicated. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.